In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Recycle Bin in Salesforce. If you've ever deleted a record by mistake, having quick access to the Recycle Bin can save the day. In this walkthrough, we'll add the Recycle Bin to your Salesforce navigation so it's always one click away. We'll keep it simple and stick to the exact actions you need, with helpful context along the way. Start on your Salesforce Lightning homepage. Make sure you're in the app where you want the Recycle Bin to appear, since navigation is customized per app. Look toward the top right area of the screen for a small pencil icon. This icon opens the navigation editor and lets you customize what you see in the top navigation bar. Click that pencil icon. The navigation editor will open, showing your current items and options to change them. This is where you can add new shortcuts that you use frequently. Next, choose Add More Items. This opens a panel where you can browse all the available tabs and utilities that can be added to your nav. Think of it as your app's catalog of possible shortcuts. In that panel, switch to the All view. This widens the results so you're not limited to just standard objects or what's already recommended. It's the quickest way to make sure Recycle Bin shows up in the list. Use the search bar and type Recycle Bin. Typing the full name helps narrow it down immediately, especially in orgs with many custom objects and pages. If your spelling is correct and you're in the All view, Recycle Bin should appear in the results. When you see Recycle Bin in the list, click it to select it. You're simply telling Salesforce, this is the item I want to add to my navigation. You don't need to open anything here. Just select it so it's queued to be added. Finally, click Add One Nav Item. Salesforce will add Recycle Bin to your navigation bar, making it easy to open whenever you need to restore or permanently delete items you've removed. From now on, you'll find Recycle Bin alongside your other tabs at the top. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the pencil icon or can't find Recycle Bin, your profile or the current app may restrict navigation edits or visibility. Also, remember that items in the Recycle Bin are retained for a limited time by Salesforce, so act promptly if you need to restore something. Once the Recycle Bin is on your nav, you can click into it any time to review deleted records and take action. That's all you need to add the Recycle Bin to your Salesforce navigation. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.